In today's video, you will learn how to export video from Davinci Resolve. Once you've finished editing your project, the final step is exporting your video so it can be shared, uploaded, or saved to your computer. Davinci Resolve makes this process straightforward, and with just a few settings you can create a video file that's ready to use. After completing your edit, look at the row of pages along the bottom of the interface. Move to the far right and select the Deliver page. This is where you'll find all of the export settings and rendering options for your project. On the left side of the Deliver page, you'll be able to configure how your video will be exported. Start by giving your project a file name. Choosing a clear and descriptive name makes it much easier to identify the video later, especially if you're exporting multiple versions of the same project. Next, choose where you want the exported video to be saved. Select the Browse option, and pick the folder or location where you'd like the finished file to be stored. Choosing the destination before rendering helps you quickly locate the video once the export is complete. After selecting the save location, move down to the Video Export settings and choose the format for your file. For most situations, MP4 is the best choice because it's one of the most widely supported video formats. It works well for uploading to platforms like YouTube, sharing with others, or playing on most computers and mobile devices without requiring any additional conversion. Once you've reviewed your settings, scroll to the bottom and select Add to Render Queue. This doesn't start the export immediately. Instead, it places your project into the render queue, allowing you to review your export job before rendering begins. This is especially useful if you plan to export multiple videos one after another. With your project now in the render queue, move over to the right side of the screen and select Render All. Davinci Resolve will begin exporting your video using the settings you've chosen. The rendering process may take anywhere from a few moments to several minutes depending on the length of your project, the effects you've used, and the performance of your computer. Once the render is finished, your exported video will be saved to the location you selected earlier. You can then open the file, watch the final result, upload it to your preferred platform, or share it with others. That's all it takes to export a video from Davinci Resolve.